Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Sabi Mahmood, and today the second rain of Sawan came into Bahawalpur city. It will be merely of 6 hours, but it has good effect on the atmosphere. All the pollutants have been removed from our atmosphere now, and it has become a very delightful. So, thanks to God and thanks to Allah, but not thanks to our government, because the water has created a mess in this beautiful area marked down A. There is water all around, and the main highway is still being built, so there's a lot of mess there. And as you can see, there is water all around me, and it's the reason why we people suffer and our government enjoy. These all are deficiencies of our government. Look, you can see all water around me, and there are even many roads which have filled water in it, and there's no walking there. And as you can see, the road being built here, there's a big mess here, and people can't go through it. But as I will try, so wish me luck, because it's hard in the first, but when I cross it, you know, then it's, let me see. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main highway being built, and the child running, and this is my area where I live. See my town. As you can see my town. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my front of Chima town. This is the front. And it's a small area, but it's a very good area. This is the area where I live, ladies and gentlemen. The area I want people to say it's good. Every area has some defects, I know that. Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to near my house. And ladies and gentlemen, this is my house where I live. This is my house where I live, ladies and gentlemen. And that's all.